George O'Brien, yeah? Right, welcome back to George O'Brien's YouTube.
Follow me on Instagram now. From here, be on the screen and in the description. You went a different way. Right guys, we're going to do Call the Shots with Carter again. Right, yeah, follow me on Instagram, CartoonG29. Link will be in the description again. And yeah, let's do it. Right guys, I got called by Dante Hutchinson a 360 whip, so I'm going to do it on... Let's not do it. Fly out on this, yeah? Right, no, not on me. Carter's doing the 360 whip. We're doing it! Yeah. Right, go! Carter Hughes on, man! Go follow him on Instagram. Go on, Carter. Right, he's going to try again, guys. You going to try again? Yeah. Come on, Carl, I shred it up. Go on. Go. Stop, go. It counts. Right guys, Carter's gonna do a bio on this quarter. Oh, that one. What one are you doing on? This one. Alright. Off you go then. I think it's just really Carter and Louis doing the shots now because our mic's not that good. So Carter's going to do a flip out of here. Excuse me? Really? Right, he's just going to feel it. Good Carter. Yeah! I'm not feeling like that. You're snocking at your nose.
I could seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when your answer ain't to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away. 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my